welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is we are going to unbox my new camera, my new lens and accessories. So my previous camera was the Canon M50 and I got that for I think $649, and I was able to sell it for $550, including all the accessories that I have for the Canon, because I transitioned to Sony and I can't use any accessories from the Canon to my Sony. After 24 hours of posting that, someone bought it and I was so happy because I really got my money back for that. And I used my Canon M50 for like a year and 3 months because I got that like April 2020. So yeah, it was really a good deal. And my new camera, the Sony ZV-E10, is not really that pricey, so I don't really consider that as an upgrade. It's just like mainly a transition from Canon to Sony, because Sony, I guess it's more advanced camera. Without further ado guys, I am so excited to unbox my new camera and use it for my B-rolls and sit down videos like this. I am currently shooting from my iPhone 12 Pro Max, so let's see the difference. And for the last part of this video is I will show you guys an example footage from the ZV-E10 because I'm going to Center City for an eyelashes extension. I've been waiting for this for like 2 years, and now finally that I'm a nurse, so I am able to afford it. So we're going back to our monthly pamper routine. So I'll see you guys later. So inside the box guys is of course the manual, instructions, warranty card. You always get that with the camera. And then I just purchased the ZV-E10 body because I bought another lens from Amazon, so you won't find any lens in here like the kit lens. So this is the battery, the cord or strap for the camera. You do get an adapter with it. USB-C cable, and this is the dead cat fur for the speaker of the camera. And this is the camera. So that's it. If you're gonna purchase like the ZV-E10 body only, which is $699, you'll just get this. Inside is the camera itself, which is really nice. This is my first time Sony camera, so I am so excited to use this, to play with the settings and all. So I got a separate accessory. This is an extra battery because if you do buy a vlogging camera and you shoot in 4K, you really need an extra battery for it. So I got this from Best Buy, and then this is the charger. So I will mainly use my Sony camera for my sit down videos, home videos. I usually use my GoPro for traveling, so that's why I just only got extra one battery. So inside is you get the charger. Which is a charger for one battery, so I'll just make sure the 2 batteries are fully charged, so I can just like switch it. So one thing that I know from the reviews of the ZV-E10 is that they're still using like the old battery for the Sony, so this is not like the new ones, so this died pretty much quickly. I think for continuous videos maybe 40 minutes to 45 minutes, but yeah, they do die quickly. I don't know why they still use the old batteries when it's a new camera, but yeah. So these are my batteries, guys. I did not get the Sony lens. I only purchased the Sigma one, so this is a different brand. It's not Sony, but it's compatible with the E-mount cameras of the Sony, because this lens is like a prime lens and it's a wide lens, so it's really protected, so you don't need to worry about being the lens damaged. Inside is the lens with a lens cap. So this is the Sigma lens, and I am so excited to try this camera, guys, and with this wide angle lens. My camera before is the Canon M50, and I just got the kit lens and it was really not that wide, so I just decided to ditch the kit lens for the ZV-E10 and upgrade a nicer lens. So this is a lavalier microphone. I really do believe that audio is an important thing for your YouTube videos, even though the ZV-E10 microphone is enough. I just really want to upgrade a little bit for my audio, so that's why I got this Deity V Lav microphone. It's not that bad, it's $53 I believe. So this pretty much is it. You clip this on your shirt or clothes, and this is like a 5-meter cord, and then you attach this to your camera, and then even though you put your camera far from you, you're still gonna get your quality audio. So right now we are going to put everything. So first things first is the body of the camera. Let's put this windshield. This is very easy, you just need to slide this here, and pretty much that's it. Next is, let's put on the memory card and the battery. So this is the memory card right here. Perfect. Close it up. And then pretty much that's it. And then let's take this out. And let's put on our Sigma lens. So right now, guys, let's go to Center City and try this new baby. That's it for today's unboxing video, guys. So now I am using my Sony ZV-E10. I have the same lighting, so earlier I was shooting with my iPhone 12 Pro Max, so now this is from the Sony ZV-E10, and I had it on the aperture, so you can choose from automatic to manual to aperture. But right now that I'm just like inside, I just like to play around with the settings, and I am using my external mic, my mic lavalier. So this is really like the cord. So even though your camera is really far from you, that's totally fine because the cord can just like accommodate the distance. with your camera and you still get the good audio because the mic is literally here. And I'll see you guys on my next video. See ya!